Ang payong ni ate. Si ate ay may payong, kulay pula ang payong. Ginagamit niya ito kapag umuulan, ayaw niya itong mabasa. Lagi niyang dala ang kanyang payong, matulungin din si ate, pinapayungan niya rin kami. When we say payong, that's an umbrella. So ate is like an older female sibling. So it means my older sister's umbrella. So si ate ay may payong. It means my sister has an umbrella. Kulay pula ang payong. So kulay is color. And then pula is red. So the color of the umbrella is red. Ginagamit niya ito kapag umuulan. Gamit is like use. So she uses this whenever it's raining. So ulan is rain. Kapag is when. Ayaw niya itong mabasa. Ayaw means like doesn't like. Mabasa means like to be wet. So she doesn't like this to be wet. I don't know what's the reason. Lagi niyang dala ang kanyang payong. So always lagi. Dala is like carry. And then she always carries her umbrella. Matulungin din si ate. So matulungin is helpful. So my sister is also helpful. Pinapayungan niya rin kami. She also uses the umbrella to like cover us from the rain. So pinapayungan niya rin kami. Ang payong ni ate, si ate ay may payong, kulay pula ang payong, ginagamit niya ito kapag umuulan, ayaw niya itong mabasa. Lagi niyang dala ang kanyang payong, matulungin din si ate, pinapayungan niya rin kami. Ang payong ni ate.